Hey guys, listen, I just wanted to say thank you for hitting my website and checking me out. You know, before you leave my website, because you may be shopping around gurus to see which guru is your taste, right? Just understand that not all gurus are created equal. When I say gurus, I don't mean to be derogatory or even disrespectful, but let's be frank, there are a lot of gurus out there, guys. There's a lot of coaches out there that are not actually doing what they're teaching. They're just selling information online, right? I'm an actual real estate investor. I train people on wholesaling every day, all day, right? But me as an individual, I'm not just a wholesaler, right, guys? I'm a professional investor. We own mobile home parks, short-term vacation, beach rentals on the beach. We have a plethora of single-family homes. We're wholesaling in actually 6 markets now in 4 different states. We're flipping and wholesaling. We're taking down deals. So make sure you hire a coach that actually does deals, guys. There's a lot of bullshit out there. So do your research on me. Don't take my word for it. Maybe reach out to people that have hired me, but I can help you. I'm in the trenches all day, guys. I'm doing deals. I got a multi-million-dollar land development deal right down the road from my house. I know how to take down deals. I know how to negotiate. I know how to navigate you through the bumps and bruises of being a real estate investor. And at the end of the day, guys, that's what you want to become. You don't want to be stuck in wholesaling. Wholesaling is where you should start. Absolutely is the best place to start if you want to become a real estate investor. You got to know how to take down deals. You got to know how to source your own deals, how to market, how to go direct to seller. So if you have that down, then everything else will be gravy for you. But you want to hire a coach that can take you to the next level, right? Which would be, flipping, wholesaling, buying whole, taking down an apartment complex or maybe a mobile home park. I can do that for you. I've done all that. I'm doing it now. I'm not just teaching it online. I'm actually doing it. If you follow me online, you probably know that, right? So anyway, listen, I want to work with you. Click the link below. Book a call with me and my team. I want to help you. But just make sure you hire the right coach. All right? I'll see you in the call. Peace.